Alright, hello everybody. I hope you can hear me this time. I'm using Windows 10 simply because it picks up my microphone. Unfortunately, in Linux it didn't. It picked up a webcam, but it didn't seem to work. So this video is just going to be installing Virtualbox, and I'm going to install version 5.18, and hopefully I can get the guest modules working in what I'm going to try is first of all to install Ubuntu Mini, so basically a net install, and then install Peppermint OS from developer version 7 from. Alright, sorry for the interruptions. I don't know what's going on. It keeps I guess my bandwidth is not good enough for this. So anyway, let's call it UB, and I'll call it Pepper Mint OS 7 DEVL developer. 64 bits, 4 gigs of RAM. Yeah, sure. 4096. Next. Let's make this a bit larger, say 15 gigs. Be plenty. So, settings. Oops. I didn't mean to start it. Yeah, whatever. Yes, I'm in Windows 10, sorry. Linux would not pick up my microphone on all. Display. Enable 3D acceleration. And storage. I'm going to choose from the desktop image. Mini. And untick this bottom bar. Start. Minimize this part and see what happens. Alright, yeah, it's good enough. Install. Go away with these messages. Alright, defaults. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so detect hardware and blah blah blah, network and so on. And hopefully the stream won't be killed. I'll see what's going on here though. Again, if anybody's watching this, I'm using Windows 10 because Linux would not pick up my desktop microphone. And hopefully you can hear me this time. It might be a little quiet. I don't know. Sometimes it'll auto adjust levels even if I tell it not to. So, such is Windows, I guess. So this is Peppermint OS developer, and I'm using the mini ISO, Ubuntu's mini whatever 1604 to install it, Peppermint OS. And just the usual stuff. That's fine. Doesn't matter too much since we're in Virtualbox. And it's Virtualbox version 5.18. I like to do manual partitioning here. No. So I pick this. Create a new partition table, yes. And then we go down to the primary or logical free space. Create a new partition. I'll use the whole 16 primary. And let's give it a label, Pep 7. continue. Okay, done setting up the partition. Finish and write changes to disk. Nope, I don't want to swap. And yes to write. And the boring part, retrieving packages and apps and stuff. Actually, the good thing about this, I found the mini ISO, it does include sudo and other stuff. It has system tools, so all that stuff you don't have to worry about anymore. The older ones you had to download sudo after install, so that's a good thing. And I'll check on the stream here. And oh my god, 2 people are watching. Yeah, I know. Sorry about the volume. Blurry screen. Sorry. Oh man. Thank you. It should be better after it is encoded. Anyway, video output is low. YouTube does not receive enough video to maintain the smooth stream such as viewers or experience buffering. I'm sorry. Hey Garth, how you doing? Alright. In the dreaded Windows 10, as I tried to explain earlier, because it wouldn't pick up Open Broadcast Studio wouldn't pick up my microphone in Linux, so I'm installing Ubuntu through the mini ISO, or basically net install with Virtualbox 5.18, and I'm going to try out Peppermint OS Developer for Peppermint OS 7 Developer Edition. Somebody put me onto this, and I thought I'd take a look at it, and I'm hoping that the Virtualbox guest will install. Last time it couldn't find the headers, so it seems like it's looking for 5.18, I believe. So I'm sorry about the low, bandwidth and everything. My upload stream isn't that great, and yeah, it does look terrible. I'm so sorry. Okay, say hi, Garth. Also, too, I guess it's because I'm downloading, and I need a faster upload speed. It's not my ISP's fault. It's all they can do. And I use an independent ISP, and I'll have to upgrade so I have better bandwidth, and so I can try more of these live streams, because I think they're kind of fun, especially if you can be interactive and so on. And I'm just waiting for this to install. By the way, the NVIDIA card, the 400 series, what's it called, the Maxwell, or is that, I don't know, whatever. The latest Arch Linux firmware has been updated, and it's having problems with the Nouveau drivers. I was getting a blank screen. The only way to do that is to install NVIDIA. If you take the command line route and NVIDIA, install the drivers as you're installing, and you shouldn't run into that problem. That's what I found anyway. Hopefully the firmware will catch up, and then I can upload another ISO, because it'll affect every ISO that I try to make right now. Hello, James. And Garth, yes. I don't know if you guys, I hope you guys can at least hear me. I know the screen is probably going to be, the screen resolution isn't going to be that great. And again, it's because of the internet. So, Windows 10, yes, I know. um, as I explained to anybody that's just joining or just watching, I couldn't get the microphone, my desktop microphone, open broadcast. Studio wouldn't pick up my desktop microphone. Um, so this one in Windows 10 it does, or just Windows it will. So anyway, continuing on with the mini ISO of Ubuntu is install security updates automatically, and that pop thing, I don't like that kind of thing because it's, I don't know, what's the most popular software I'm installing? Why do you care? Whatever. Okay, how's this going here? How you guys doing? What? Okay. Yeah, well, let me see if we can. Let's try a mic boost of 20 dB. Oh, is that? Yeah, I know. Sorry. I'm doing the best I can. I can't. It won't. It's my upload speed mostly. Okay, so um, this is what I was talking about earlier. The latest Ubuntu mini ISO, and it now has this option for standard system utilities, which things like sudo. So that's why I'm just going to install that, and I am going to try Peppermint OS 7 Developer Edition from the PPA. So bear with me. It takes a little while to install. It's about 7 to close to 800 megabytes. Hopefully the stream will last that long too. Oh, okay. Well, so okay, at least you can hear me. I just bumped it up to plus 20 dB. What's ouch, Garth? Ouch what? Video output's low. Sorry. Garth, are you there? What is ouch? Windows 10? Ubuntu? Peppermint OS. That's it. I got it. I know it. Yeah. Alright. So, Peppermint OS 7 Developer Edition using the Ubuntu net installer, the mini ISO, because it is based on that according to the Launchpad site, I think. I'll have to look that up. And let's install grub. And yes. Yep. Continue. And it's going to reboot, except it's going to reboot into the ISO. Oops, wrong one. I think with System D now, it'll take something like power off. Yep, I think. There you go. So let's open VirtualBox and just take that ISO out. Alright, and fire this back up. It'll probably crash though, since I'm in Windows. Notice it has the Ubuntu splash screen, so I think I can log in now. Yep, sudo. Sorry about the resolution update. Sudo apt. Oh, jeez. I forget. I'm so used to using Pacman. Get up. Okay, now I'm gonna have to look up the PPA thing. I think I made a bookmark. Yeah. Make sure I got this right. Oh, I need to get something else. Apt-add repository. Uh-oh. What was that called again? Add apt. Okay, so what's apt dash cache? Search software dash common or something. Nope. Anybody know? Hello, Rock and Rolf Hamburg. Mad about auto programs installer for Arch Linux with 90. What? Oh, I see. Yeah. Didn't answer your tweet. Oh boy, I've been getting a lot of messages of late, which is awesome. But sorry. Hey, Steve. I'm trying to model my way through Peppermint OS Development Edition using the Ubuntu Mini ISO, Ubuntu 16.04 LTS, and I can't remember the apt-add repository. Life on Ubuntu. Software properties common. Okay. At least tab completion works. And includes Python. Okay. So where was I? Okay. What's the PPA? PPA colon Peppermint OS 7. Oh boy. Like I'm going to remember that. I think there's a key it needs as well. Peppermint OS slash P7-DEV. Sudo apt get update. Looks like it's happy. Now, the last time I tried this, it was okay. We'll take you. Oh, great. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's fine. It was something like Peppermint software or something. Uh, wouldn't be nice if it was just sudo apt get install Peppermint, but I don't think so. I'll try it. I think it's Peppermint dash system. I think could be common or something. Let's see if just Peppermint works. The system. There's more to it, so it's another package. Remember, this is development, and do not use anything contained in this PPA with any other version of Peppermint. You have been warned. Yes, I know, and I just can't remember which one package I need to get this rolling. Interesting, this has two file managers, Nemo and PCman FM, and it looks like it's Alex panel. Yee. Oh well. And i3. So obviously it's a development version, and it's not set and ready to go yet. What was that called again? Okay, there we go. That looks. Whoa. What are we looking at here? Okay, 266 megs of packages. Then I think I can build from here. I'm hoping. How you guys doing? Yes, Garth. I'm using Peppermint OS 7 developer just to try to walk through how you could install this through the mini ISO, or maybe not. Oh, okay. Apt is nowadays enough to not apt get. Okay, interesting. Oh, there's another thing too. Is I don't know if you guys heard of Snap, the Ubuntu Snap. Where it installs separate from their OS, like as its own container. There's an Arch Linux version. Somebody sent me a tweet about it. If you want to check that out, I completely forgot about it. I was going to check that out today. Anybody have a new GTX 1080 or 1070 yet? Yeah, right. We're all rich, right? Oh, come on. So, hello all. I need better bandwidth to make the video better. I'm so sorry. Specifically upload. Like its download's okay. It's adequate, but upload is it's too slow. Specifically, 1080p. I'm trying to push a lot. I should have lowered it to at least set to 720 or something. It might turn out better. However, I'm hoping that when this is done, if you want to review this video, it'll render better. We'll see. think this comes with Light DM, Peppermint OS Developer 7, 7 Developer, or whatever. Where's Virtualbox? I don't want to open my program directory. Web update. Hmm. Alex panel, newer version. Bunch. Oh, I see. It's okay. I3 lock. All right. File manager actions. Faenza icon. Cinnamon translation. Wow, this is a mixed bag so far. Skippy XD. I wonder if that works in VirtualBox. Synaptic TrueCrypt. Variety. Yeah. Ubuntu touch sounds. Like I need that. Hello, Nulix, Nullix, Tor, Valus. I'm sorry if I didn't. Sorry about that. No, you guys don't have to. Snap is useless. Huh? I'm gonna remove that. You think? Peppermint because I'm just trying it out. Because it's a developer edition. And just to see what's happening. And I don't know. Out of interest, gives me ideas for what I can do with Arch. It may give me ideas. Oh, damn. This is why I like Arch Linux. I don't have a printer, so I don't have to install printer software. Or I don't really like the apt repositories. The apt-get, Debian. I much prefer Pacman and the user, of course, the Arch Linux user repository. But that's personal preference, of course. Like PPAs are okay, I guess, but it becomes overwhelming, to me anyway. Just too many of them. Oh, come on. I guess everybody it has to be compatible with many machines, so that's probably why. So light DM is okay. Yep. Pulse audio. What was the image? Oh, I didn't see it. Oh well. Okay, I'm just gonna try to reboot and destroy everything. Oh, Remember, this is using the Ubuntu ISO, so I'll have to go down to Peppermint, LXDE as well, and OpenBox. Anyway, so Peppermint. There we go. We have a wallpaper. So I'll open the terminal. Yee. Nemo. Alright. Edit. Useless. Is Alex terminal installed? Nope. Of course not. There we go. Let's make that 12 at least. That's better. Ah, it failed. Ugh. Headers for the current running kernel were not found. If the following module complains, whatever. Oh, I know. I know there's Alex session Peppermint. I think you just put an at Alex panel. Let's see if that works. Yeah. So anyway, there you go. There's a look at is that larger or no? Whatever. So here's the panel. Preferences. See PC Man FM, System Tools, Alex Terminal. Preferences. Yikes, his mouse is Peppermint OS Control Center. Keyboard shortcuts. Hey. Come on, make me clicking on OK. Alt T. Oh, Alt. Uh-oh. Invalid. Yeah, oh, I see. Never mind. Oh boy. Finally! Jumping. Oh, XFCE. Oh, that's weird. XFCE window manager. Eh. Yeah. Okay. See, that opens PC Man FM. So. Files. I guess files is the Nemo, so I'm going to remove PC Man FM and move him up to the top. Sorry, the mouse is really laggy because the VirtualBox installation guest utils won't work. Good enough. At least I can grab things. What's this? Oh. Thank you. Web browser. Oh boy. I wonder if I can get Git. Yeah, it does. AUR. And yeah, PPAs are annoying. So I don't see any. Okay, anyway. Git clone. There we go. And then INS Firefox. Hmm. Ah. Oh dear. Control right control A. Is that any better with the mouse? No. Well, at least the workspace works. So Alex Terminal. I don't know that's what's supposed to be in here, and I don't know what else I'm missing from the archive. Oh, XF dashboard. Well, this is interesting. XF dashboard. I'm not sure where that's coming from. No, it's coming from oh, fine. Oops. Session. See if that works. Well, that's nice. Uh-oh. And it just froze up on me, right? Yep. Sorry, guys. Snap. Of course, this happens to me all the time in Windows, Oracle, Virtualbox. Oh, of course, yes. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, now it has a grub menu. Okay, cool. Guess because yeah, because it crashed. That's why. Let's see if we oh, use default. Okay, cool. What's all this? Oh dear. Oh, it is working, huh? Interesting. Useless, but interesting. Uh, okay. So I guess the scene looks okay. Um, it's kind of hard to tell because the VirtualBox won't. VirtualBox guest utils won't install. Jumpins. Oh yeah, I guess that's right. What was that all about? It's the wrong time. What? Oh dear. Okay, so Peppermint OS 7 Developer Edition. I have no idea when this is out, but just taking a look at it just for some ideas and stuff. And I guess obviously does logout work? Yeah, didn't think so. So what else is here? So they have XF dashboard, XFCE4 sound menu plugin. Yeah, variety. Search. What is it? Whatever. Whoa. And it's coming from Ubuntu. Oh well. Where's the package details? None? What am I doing? No. Yeah, let's install this in Windows 10. Nice. What an idiot. Sorry. Who knows? Ouch. 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 What's this? Oh man. Files. Uh, no thanks. Yeah, who cares? I don't. It's only Virtualbox. Uh, oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Uh, I don't know. It's okay, I guess. Um, you guys can give me your thoughts on it. I just find this. It would be much easier if the VirtualBox guest utils installed, though. Ugh. I don't need you anymore, do I? Hey, Aunt. How you doing? Yeah, I was just trying on Peppermint OS Developer 7, and just out of interest. Oh my dear. How are you doing? How are you It shows up. Hey, don't call me Lenny. Cool, guys. That's amazing. I don't want the 32-bit. I wish SourceForge would not. Go away. Holy jumpers. Goodbye. This will probably kill my stream, though. Alright, so I'm downloading my Archmid May 13th, 2016, which I know has. It might work, but I know there was problems with the LVM manager. And now there's problems with the NVIDIA. Well, Nuvo, because the new firmware, it just won't load it properly yet. So I'll have to wait for a firmware update to be able to update this ISO. It's still Arch, though. It still works. It's awesome. So, such is Arch. Yeah, I know. Oh, software I use in Arch. Okay. Yeah, it didn't work in VirtualBox, Garth. It's too bad. And you wanted to see Peppermint 5? Is that better than 6 or something? Well, yeah. I'll see. It takes me a while to download this stuff, as you can see. It's almost max connection. And that's 7 minutes. Oh, are you in VBox? Arch? Okay. Hi, Lumpy Gravy. How you doing? Worked for me second time. VBox, don't know why. Weird. Interesting. Can you guys hear me still? Anybody? I guess there's a lag between what I say and what you guys hear. Okay. Okay. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Thanks, guys. Loud and clear. About yes, about 30 seconds lag. Okay. Sorry. Thanks for letting me know, though. So it gives me an idea. There. Anti-X. Oh, Slack. I started off with Slackware back in the late 90s. It was like a bunch of CDs, and I had an old monitor, an old, 386 maybe, if I was lucky, and a really horrible monitor, Gen 2. And it was pretty sad. I couldn't get X to work, but I did install Linux and was able to do some stuff. Back then, I didn't have there was nothing to connect to the internet with, but it did work, sort of. And I went on to another. What? Not sure. What else was I doing? Oh, Mandrake, which was KDE based, and then I don't know, PC Linux OS, another. It was XFCE based, and Ubuntu finally came out, and I stopped using it around Ubuntu 10, and then on to Arch, and I think that's it. Thanks. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh. Wow. Yeah, I haven't used PC Linux OS in years. I didn't know. I guess it's still around, obviously. Yeah. Oh, John was talking about the slow boat to nowhere. Oops. Huh. Go figure, huh? Arch Linux scales properly. Okay. Uh. Oh, right. Yeah, I can desktop zoom and everything. F disk. So you want plasma with some goodies? What am I doing here? Oh, yeah. New. There's zoom out. Ouch. One mirror? Oh well. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, Linux firmware 2016 has problems with the NVIDIA Nouveau drivers. Somebody asked that they couldn't install it. That's what it is. It's the firmware. Um, you might be able to get away with blacklisting it in Etsy Mod Probe D. Just call it blacklist, and then just type in blacklist Nouveau and see if that works after restarting. I don't know. Have to wait for the firmware to be updated again. There. Mm. Oops. Gun utils. Oh, that's GNU. Sorry. LVM. I don't know why would. Yeah. A solid state. If you're using a solid state drive, I don't see the point anymore. I guess I don't know. You're wondering why it just keeps resetting or something the internet from the Virtualbox adapter. There we go again. I'll just let it go. There's can't be too much left. 11 megs. Shouldn't take too much longer. There we go. Uh-oh. Oops. Is my face red? Oh yeah, what am I doing? Oh, this drives me around the bend. No kidding. I haven't set a locale because I can't set it up until Arch is installed. Well, yeah. Yeah, of course. Hurry up. Oh my. Uh, 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 where was it? Oh yeah, Nano. Now I'm going to cheat a bit and just use my pre-arch installer so I don't have to type everything. I'll cut it out. HTTP is jitlub dot fall apart like a .com. My username slash the repo I want pre-arch. Now I can stop it complaining from the locale right now. Whew. Yeah, it's okay. I'm doing all right, Garth. Now it's updating them. Oh. I just remember something. I installed VirtualBox 1.8, 5.18, and it's going to want to install 5 something else. The newer one. I'm going to have to get downgrade. See though, see if that works. Virtual. Two. Yeah. It's guest utils 5020, and I'm using 5. Oh dear. I wonder if it'll take it or not. Okay. So did I forget something? We'll find out. Excuse me. Okay. So another Git package. Yeah. Arch extras to install and to install YowArt and to update the what am I doing? Update the my make config file. So chmod plus x arch extras ins and just run that command. Oh yeah, and the Pac-Man thing. Oh dear. How you guys doing here? Alright, so I'm going to install Plasma. Whoops! I knew I forgot something. Ugh. There you go. Plasma's on the way without SDDM because it just drives me around the bend. Sorry. I'm going to install AlexDM to log in quickly. Jumpins, man. Can't believe this. I have to use the num lock isn't on. Okay, well, anyway, I'm not sure. Since I'm using Plasma, I'm gonna drop down the timeout uh, stop in case there's those crazy stop job errors, and hopefully cut down on that. Okay, just write that out and close, and see how our download's going. Slow. Oh, sorry. Anybody here? Larry, yeah. Plasma is pretty stable. Oh, never mind. It's already been answered. Duh. Sorry. Oops. Finally. Okay. And I'll just get Dolphin, I guess, for the file manager, console for a console. That's console with a K. Everybody knows that. And LeafPad, just a basic text editor. Oh, there's one thing. The Breeze, GTK Breeze. I'm gonna have to replace that with the JIT one because it. Well, I'm gonna see if it works because I saw it was just updated. So I'll leave that for now. Okay. I'm glad they're starting to get these naming conventions down. And, and Come on. So Alex DM for the login manager. So let me just enable. And see what we have after a reboot. Ooh, that didn't look too happy. Is it gonna boot? Or isn't it? Probably not. Oh, looks like it's stuck. I can't get access to any. Oh, here we go again. Windows Virtualbox. Piss off. Finally. It's Virtualbox in Windows because this always works fine in um, Linux. Arch Linux, anyway. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. this giving me such a hard time today? Whew. Um, Now I'll check out GTK. Oh, jeez. Uh, if it's been updated for Breeze. So I installed, what did I do there? I installed KSuperKey so I can do this. Seems to, okay. And also get rid of this here. Should, there. So instead of saying text editor or file manager, it's got the actual program name in the top. Oh dear. More JIT stuff for Firefox. GitHub. No, it's HTTPs. GitHub. Well, it looks like it's fixed then. The GTK Breeze, you don't have to get the Git one anymore. You see, before it was all kind of all over the place. So that's good. Oops. I can't be bothered with the profile. What I'm doing here is command. You can get X bind keys to do a desktop mouse wheels and just run X bind keys. There we go. Hold down the shift key and zoom in. And clipboard. Oh dear. Figure clipboard. Jeez. Zoom doesn't look too good. I forgot to install some fonts. Anyway, jeez. Whoops. Auto. So allow that to start up and so on. Okay, are you guys still there? Yep. Hi, Ben. Yeah, i3 can be a problem. No, Virtualbox in Windows sometimes is just a nightmare. Hello, Thomas. Oi! What you doing? Yeah. Trying, oh dear. Okay, so what can we do with Dolphin? Oh, let's go to our keyboard shortcuts, though. Oh. Sorry, guys, just too small for me. Make it, Ow! Sorry about that. Yeah, it's a little better. So let's get some services. I'm not sure what they're called under the AUR. KD. I can't remember where that. Oh, maybe it's under general options. Did that profile stick? Nope. Mine. This includes a lot of services for Dolphin. You can turn them off though individually if you want. Seems pretty rough, but that's to be expected. Can I resize this without crushing it? Yep. Well, that's just awesome. Go away, stupid stuff. Goodbye. Oh, what is with the fonts? When I zoom in. Huh. Yeah. Awesome. This is really cool. Hard drive tools like temperature. Okay. Guess it's not picking up the temperature. Oh well. Well, it is cool on real hardware. Oh man, what is taking us so long? This internet is just slow. Sorry about the slow internet, guys. I just get cut off the internet. Shit. Thank you. Wow, that's a long time ago. There we go. I'm not going to use these as a system, but I want to get my midfingr avatar. Okay. To remove the shadow from the panel and stuff. Panel, yeah. And then there we go. No more shadow. Pretty cool. Is this catching up? Yeah, it is. Holy jumpins'. Oh. I guess it doesn't like the arch wallpaper, so I like this one the best out of the collection. There we go. And let's make the toolbar a bit larger. Ooh, that's too high. Just a bit. Ew, artifacts. Oh wow. Such as Virtualbox. Hey, that worked. Clearing the clipboard worked. I don't remember this being as transparent, but whatever. It's still pretty cool. Oh, history. Yeah, so let's get rid of that. Settings. This should make this more obvious, I think. It's under... where is it? Desktop behavior, activities, yeah, privacy. Goodbye, history. Ah, key bindings. house is really crazy today because of the weather. Okay, let's see how the root actions worked out. Root actions, there's a whole pile of them here. So you can open Tunar as root. There we go. Open the terminal here, and the inline terminal too, and Shift F4 to open the terminal inside wherever you are. I think. Yep. What? That's weird. Huh. There's probably a faster way to find this, but yeah, I'm using Windows because it won't. I can't get the microphone to work in Linux, Arch Linux, unfortunately. So the last time I tried this live stream, there was no audio, nothing. Even though it said it was picking up my USB camera, it didn't. It didn't work at all. So that's why. So we have key super key. We have shift and desktop zoom. We have our keyboard shortcuts for LeafPad, console, Dolphin, and so on. I don't know. Oh no, I know. See if print screen works. Yep. Ew, that's ugly, eh? What can we get? I can't remember what it is now. Ugh. Style equals GTK. Oops. Is it GTK plus or just GTK? I don't know. Nah. Let's get. Still looks horrible. Hmm. What the hell? Hmm. I don't know. Oh, okay. That's better. Cool. So Alt Shift F12 to turn off animations. Yeah. And Alt Shift F12 to bring them back on. It's not the best way to do it, but just to check that out. Alright, what else has happened? You guys still there? Nah. I'm sorry. Spectacle is, I find it too overwhelming. But thank you. Yes, Ben, hi. And laughing out loud, Steve. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks. Thank you for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. The support and all the fun. You guys make this. So this is Arch Linux with the Splasma desktop, in running in Virtualbox and unfortunately in Windows. As I said, I couldn't get the microphone to work in under Linux with using the Open Broadcast Studio, whatever it's called, OBS. So at least this way I can do something. Maybe I have to figure out, mess around with the configuration file, but so I'll do a test and try to do another one inside Arch Linux, because I prefer to work inside Arch Linux for a lot of things. The only thing the only reason I use Windows pretty much is for games. And Windows 10, I have a DirectX 12 card, and I have a couple of DirectX 12 games, so I'll just use it for whatever. Windows 8, I don't know, is fine too, but Windows 10 has this little smaller footprint. Not that much smaller, but it is smaller. So, and there are under the hood things I like about it, barring all the other wasted spyware bandwidth stuff. So what else we got? Oh yes, I love that. If I start typing like wiki, yeah, that's a cool. There's some things that changed over the last while since I used it, like a couple of days ago already. things have been updated. So Arch is really, to me, it's really a great OS for a lot of things. I think you can turn this into icons, and I can't remember. There's so many things. Oh, wiki accounts, yeah. Let's see what happens now. That's better. So, uh, oh, where is that? Nope. Where's that setting? I know there's a setting to make this into an icon, but I can't remember. Just to... No. Oh, that's the thing about KDE, or well, KDE is there's a lot of stuff, and sometimes it's like overwhelming, and you forget things. Highlight windows. I'm not sure that's it or not. Nope. 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 Hmm. I can't remember. Darn. See you, man. Oh dear. Thank you. Awesome. Okay, yeah, I like that. And then I can just pin to panel. I'm gonna do this with it. Yep, I think. Oh. Hmm. Still not bad though, considering I don't have everything installed that I would on a desktop, but huh. Oh yeah, oh, applications menu. Just don't understand why Dolphin is seeing this as a. Oh, that's better. Okay, cool. I know how to get. Oh, I can't find inline search instead of having to press this to find something. You know, I was looking for something like I don't know. Well, like this doc. Like I know in Thunar you can go DOC or say DOW. It won't do that in Dolphin. I think we got downloads, I guess. She finds downloads, but I like the other way, the inline or whatever it is called. Doesn't matter that much. So what's going on in our .config now? What in the world? Stop that. Wow, it's hard to type. Well, that's weird. My icon icon setting went smaller. Hmm. Everything seems to be working fine though, except I know in I want to have a blur effect in the panel. It's not. It doesn't show up in VirtualBox. If you go under desktop effects, there's no blur or the other one. I can't remember the name of it. It's usually under, yeah, appearance, fade, login, maximize, and minimize, scale in. There's no blur. Isn't that strange? And there's nothing in here, like if I type that in blur, nothing comes back. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I find this awkward as heck to get to. There we go. So, I see. Yeah, I like that better. What am I thinking? Okay. Huh. 2015. Oh, it's no. Ah, I knew it was something. What? Can't remember the name of the applet. Weather. Oh, I keep forgetting it does that. This is an older one. No. Forget about the desktop zoom. I can't. Is this out at Orphan or I can't see? Unsupported. I don't think that's the one I had before. Must be Virtualbox. Hmm. Yeah, that's true. Socket and what? Hmm. What was that comment about that? Six. That's the. That's today, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Oh dear. Well, it's only a virtual machine, so try it out. Oh, I gotta take a break. Back in a minute. Okay, so it looks like from looking at it, will this install as a container? So sudo snap install gedit, or is it going to try to pull in? Oh, it's Ubuntu core. Huh. I don't know what's in the Ubuntu core. Okay. Oh dear. Yeah, the hell with that for now. Oh well. That widget isn't the one I was looking for. Wow, almost 3 hours, guys. Holy crap. Okay, y'all. Have a good one, eh? And everybody take care. And thank you very much for watching. And sorry it's in Windows 10, but as I said, I couldn't get my microphone to work. But I'll see if I can figure out something. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and I'll try to do a normal video soon. See you later.